Hi guys, so lalaro tayo ng tawag nito. Kalimutan ko na. Oo nga, Roblox siya. Di ba nahulog na? Uy, ate! Uy, ano ba yan? Bakit saan? Alam mo kung paano magpalaman? Huwag mo yan sa ano mo ha, huwag mo dilaan. So, wag na lang ito.
I thought it was Michael Sager, 17 years old from Vancouver, Canada. I think that'll be a really interesting house name because I'm known to being the...
Nakita nyo ba? Slap the Rivet Tower.
I think that can make sure everyone's happy with the house.
Ito na lang. Easy Troll Tower. So, let's do this.
Nag-live ako every night to the point that I discovered some of the passion for it. It was a passion na to go to graphic because in Philippines, when they have a mentor but when
Na, pwede naman. Ito, madali lang ito. Yan. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Tinry ko pa yun. Kasi meron kasing troll na pag umapak ka dun sa hindi nakaano, maghulog ka. Na, ano, kaya pala easy. Wala naglalag siya. Ayan, pinag-pinag. Hoy, sino nag-chat? Let's do this. Woo! Uy, may mga cute carpet to. Kadaya. Let's do. Samu, tulog ka. Tulog ka.
It's raining talk. It's rain.
It's raining talaga. Ano ba ito? Huh? Oh! Cute. Hindi na talaga tayo nag-cover. Go. Okay, so Cloud Pastel Tower tayo. Uy, sino nga yan, mami, sa PBB? Sino yun? Ayun. Ay. Ayun. Sino siya? So, ano to? Ito nga tayo gumamit.
Medyo, ano pa ba yung clean week? So, pag nag-uugas kami, may groups po kasi kami pag nag-uugas. May times kasi na yung bottle, may tinatapos pa rin namin.
Mali pa.
Ay po, sanay din po. Yes.
Ay, tubig lang. Tubig, pahingi ako.
I showed you guys my side. But if that showbiz with you guys or not, I think it's been too long for me to show this you guys. Gusto mo face-to-face ang relation. Gusto mo na malaman. I really want to know.
Mami, oh.
Hindi ka ba nasaktan na palagi kang nilolobili para ma-evade?
Feeling ko po I would be lying if I said hindi ako saktan. Kasi back to back yung nomination.
Back to back to back to back.
I really do.
Okay.
It was a build-up in those months. Nagsimula na po yan. Nung first year ko sa showbiz, when I was in Lockheed for my first show,
Ay! Hala! Hul pa.
like me, there was
Kinis.
misconceptions, misunderstandings. I couldn't find friends even into showbiz na parang hirap na kasi inuna nila ng depression na hindi nila kinikilala. O nung sinabi yung reasons na bakit they're nominated, sabi ko kay Kuya, this is the only time that I really gave it my all. Makulit ako kasi that's people. I just really expressed it. Tapos yun pa yung reason kung bakit ko na-nominate. As it continued, the third one, that's when it really hit me. I went to the garden area and yes po ako kasi sabi ko, yung
So,
thing na family namin sa bahay,
diyan muna kayo.
it's
Ilan
really
lang
a
ako.
family. Sabi ko sa kanila, I cherish you guys forever kasi I don't have any friends talaga. Masakit siya kasi parang,
Inauna sa akin, ah.
ano ba problema sa akin? I love them so much and I couldn't receive just one
Eliwag!
nomination.
Panlaw?
Michael, we love you too.
Or is it because EBB in the end is a company?
Ah,
They think you were a friend.
Very competitive.
oh, my favorite.
You knowing that, yes,
So, may ano lang
and
dito.
nominations is part of the process talaga. It is possible talaga they use that as a reason and I couldn't blame them. So siguro next time ko yung sarili ko na
Hala!
Natutunan ko was
Bakit kasi sobrang lapit ng screen?
accept and you don't respect.
Management mo siguro yung nice to ako especially this family that I have.
The most important thing is the realization that you don't
Sorry, Michael and Emilio have just been
Reach greater heights with a determined mind and a loving heart. After diligent wonder son ng Marinduque, Michael.
Hi guys, lumulutang na ka.
Pero oras na.
Oras na para 6:20.
Ha?
6:20.
heard of Billy. So Billy is pwede mo lagyan ng purchase mo into 3 equal installments.
Ay, 5:20 pa pala. At 21. Mali pala ako.
Real life problems. It's very mentally challenging. No, first week po, pumasok ko
Shortcut
sa
ka pa.
request ko, Kuya, hindi ko lang kaya.
Mano ka na kasi. Zoom in na muna natin guys. Kasi ano. Okay, dito na tayo. Welcome nga to my vlog at ako si Shine. My first day vlog. So, ang pangalan ko ay Aim Elite 100.
Ay, Ling! Huwag lang, Ling. Huwag mo ganyan kasi tapai ka.
Kaya nga.
Yes naman eh. Ah! Tama na yan ah. Pag ikaw sumakit yung chan mo,
Let's go!
pera muna ako, tayo ako.
Sige, bye-bye guys.
Ayun naman,